viewers, let's start the complete process. I'm wearing the BuildX uniform. Watch the end of my video. And subscribe to my channel. Look at the size of those crocs. Careful, mate. Don't get too close. Oh, it's going for your hand. Pull back, get back. That was too close. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. That really helps me out. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.
All right, get ready. They're coming in fast. Stay back. Whoa, that was close. Up the ramp, move! Keep pushing, don't let them turn. Into the container, now. Almost there, get in. Close it up. Ah. Pull the lever, push the through. Push harder, get in! It's moving, keep running! Door's closing, secure the latch! Careful with that one, it's feisty! Got it. Lifting now. Move it to the far row. Good. Secure it and prep the next. Stop right there! What are they doing?
Stop it! Lost! Back! Podcast, I said it!
They're not listening! They're getting closer! All crocs are in the wash bay. Initiating sequence.
Copy. Watch the left flank.
Caution lights are flashing. Moving parts active.
Confirmed. One croc is feisty.
Keep monitoring.
Teeth look healthy, no fractures. Good, let's check the eyes. Cornea is clear, no inflammation, procedure's done. Agreed, secure the subject.
Look at them churn! We have to act now! I'm looking, they're extremely agitated. It's critical. Get that contain ready. Understood, initiating lockdown.
Observe the firm press on the belly scales. The hexagonal patterns emerge under the light, revealing the intricate architecture. This close view unveils the biological details, showcasing nature's precise design. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. That really helps me out. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.
Ready, pull?
Got it. Heave!
Okay, stretch it over the grate.
Draining well. Hold it firm.
Pattern looks uniform, no defects. Excellent. This batch passes inspection. Belts in this bin. This one for bags. Wallets go here. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. That really helps me out. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Forklifts carry pallets toward loading docks. Trucks idle outside, ready for dispatch. The global supply chain in motion.
These crocodile leather bags are stunning. The texture is incredible. Yes, it's premium processed croc leather. The full circle journey from tannery to our boutique.
Impressive.
This one is $1,200, a great investment.